In this video, I'm sharing a pretty little dotted Swiss and red buttercream roses cake, so stay tuned. The full recipe for this incredible strawberry cake can be found here on Wedding Cakes For You channel, and I will also post a link below the video for you. What makes this cake so good is the addition of freeze-dried strawberries and strawberry milk. A couple drops of pink brighten up the color of the cake. Once the cakes are cooled, chop some fresh strawberries. Prepare a batch of buttercream ahead of time and a batch of whipped cream. This is 2 cups of heavy cream whipped with 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 cup of confectionery sugar. When the whipped cream holds its shape, it's ready. This is a 9-inch 3-layer cake. You can brush on simple syrup if you want to add a touch more flavor and/or moisture to your cakes. The link is below the video to the recipe for my simple syrup. When filling a cake with a soft filling and/or fruit, pipe a dam of buttercream to seal the layers. Now frost your cakes with a thin layer of buttercream to seal in the crumbs before finishing with your final layer of buttercream. The cakes are then doweled for support of the top tier, and a wooden dowel goes through the center of the cake. Enjoy the decorating of this sweet 13th birthday cake. The tips I used in this video are number 104 for the rose, number 5 for the little dots, number 4B for the border around the bases, and number 125 for the ruffle. You can make a simple plaque like this one using white chocolate modeling paste or gum paste. Food writers are an easy way to write a message, and you can decorate your plaque with a tiny flower or border. If you use buttercream, refrigerate the plaque for 5 to 10 minutes, then you can place it on your cake. Thank you so much for being here. I'm loving your comments. Please subscribe and make sure to visit Wedding Cakes For You for your complimentary download of my top 5 buttercream recipes. You can also find my book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelei Step by Step, on Amazon, and my ebook at the website. Have a great day, and I'll see you next week. I have a wedding cake next week to show you guys, a rustic wedding cake with fresh flowers, and I'm super excited about also doing a live video for you guys this week. So take care, and I'll see you soon.